Hey, what's up guys? Killian here with Podium Racing. Hey, so we've had a few questions about how to fix this little issue that we've been having with the BDH H2 SQ shifter, and that usually pertains to it actually popping out of its actual socket. What we're gonna do is walk you through this process on exactly how to put that right back in so that you guys can continue racing on your sim rigs.
All right, so we have a cover plate that we need to pop off here. It is held on by 2 bolts right here. They're held on by a 2.5 Allen. I have my socket wrench right here, so after I took that off, I popped the plate off. It is a little greasy, so you might get your hands dirty. But what we're gonna wanna do is try and lift up on the BDH itself and try and get that shifter back onto that link. And you might be messing around just for a little bit, but once you get it in place where it wants to be, it will slide right back on. All right, as you guys can see, we just got the link back onto the shifter. Once you go through all the gears and see that you aren't having any issues, grab the plate, put it back on with the 2.5 Allen key, and then you can go ahead and get back into racing.
And again, if you guys have any questions at the end of this, go to podiumonracing.com, hit us up, call us, text us. We're there every step of the way.